Flexion and extension of the spine, you want to be very mindful how you move in these directions. Flexion is forward folding, touching your toes, puts a lot of compression on the spine. Extension is back bending or opening through the chest. There's ways you can move through these motions safely. For example, you want to engage your core to protect your spine, grounding through your feet, hinging from the hips, and keeping your chest lifted. If you practice these key alignment, then you can safely do these motions, flexion and extension through your spine. Lateral extension is a side bend, and once again, when you move into these motions, you want to think about engaging the core and grounding through your feet, lifting through the chest and expanding through the rib cage, getting tall, and then come into that side stretch or lateral motion. You want to be careful not to compress into the rib cage or the hip or twist into this motion. So if you feel limited in a lateral stretch, you don't have to go that far. Think about getting tall, extending, lifting, and then move into that side stretch. Rotating through the spine or twists are something that we do in our normal day. When you think about reaching behind you to grab something, looking over your shoulder. This is something you need to do in your daily life. However, you can do this safely by engaging your core, and when you go to move, you want to lead with your eyes and then follow with your motion. And you want to not sharply move into a rotation to grab something or twist. So just mindfully move through your spine as you are rotating in any direction.